Hi, my name is Tony Wang, and these are my group members Sabrina, Andrew, Nelson, Cher, Sean, Arman, and Johnny. Today, we will discuss the adoption of PropTech in homes and offices. These new technologies are increasingly being applied and integrated to real estate and urban environments with the goal of becoming smart cities. By becoming a smart city, it will attract thriving tech companies and talents that will offer the best quality of life and potential economic growth. In terms of sustainability, smart buildings can reduce energy usage, reduce carbon emissions, and make the city's grid more efficient as well as save costs in the long run. Today, we are looking at two companies, FICE and Radiator Labs, to see what they are doing to increase sustainability. First, I want to give a little background on sustainable CRE tech and why we need more of these smart cities and buildings in our society. Commercial and residential buildings account for approximately 40% of the United States' total energy consumption. There are two different programs that monitor sustainability: EPA's Energy Star rating and USGBC LEED certificate. They have both been around since the early 2000s, and their positive impact on the financial performance of commercial buildings have been documented extensively. The city with the highest percentage of green square footage is Chicago, and the lowest being Austin. Therefore, with these new CRE tech companies, we aim to create more sustainable cities and buildings.
In terms of demand drivers for future green building activity, developer is taking consideration of construction timeline, design construction costs. Landlord is considering asset depreciation and occupancy rate, while tenant is looking for employee health and well-being, productivities, and to retain top talent. What developer, tenant, and landlord are looking for are compliance with legislation, corporate image, and refurbished costs. Economical and social impacts is also another important consideration for sustainable CRE tech. Evidence suggests that green building certification is taken into investors' valuation of assets. Buildings certified by Energy Star and or LEED have been shown to transact up at 10% higher. Likely a reflection of the fact that green buildings lease for rates that are 2% higher and effective cash flows are on average 4.6% higher.
Ferdinand Grabberhaus and Willem Castello, the duo behind FICE, invented a fully transparent window that generates energy called power windows. They are helping make homes and businesses become more sustainable by tapping into energy already streaming into buildings and diminishing electricity costs. The FICE research department focuses on developing luminescent coatings that are transforming windows into electricity and data-generating building appliances. FICE has several products which they offer. The installation of the complete package is called FICE Complete. Complete includes the installation of third-party solar panels and geothermal storage solutions. The first element of the complete package is called Power, or Power Windows. Power Windows is the FICE patented technology that integrates solar cells into double or triple paned window glass to generate electricity from the sun. Power is the basis of the FICE technology. The power windows are made of customized solar mounts in between panes of glass. Smart, the second part of technology. Smart is a sensor upgrade for the power windows that measure light intensity, temperature, pressure, and air quality. The sensors are integrated into the window spacer and collect internal and external environmental data. These smart sensors combine weather conditions and user settings to reduce a building's energy consumption by up to 20%. Easy, the third element of the FICE complete package. Easy stores and distributes power, data, and ideal room settings to increase the user's comfort levels within the space automatically. Easy is essentially the brain of the FICE system, making all of the data understandable and applicable. And finally, Skin. Skin is a group of add-ons that complete the FICE Smart Skin technology. Together with third-party companies, facade applications, room settings, and energy consumption are optimized. Integrated sunblinds are on the list of add-ons within the Skin line, taking the energy consumption saving from the exterior of the building to the interior of the building.
By using the 2D technical drawings of the building, FICE is able to extract 3D models of the environment and analyze the sunlight distribution throughout the day as well as the year. With the building environment information that they collected and the sun path mapping that they created, they're able to calculate the potential energy use and predict indoor climate optimization. By the end of that exercise, they're able to translate that analysis into one of the 3 products that they offer: PhysiConnect, PhysiComfort, and PhysiComplete. These products feature a different level of autonomous climate sensoring, energy neutrality, and automated climate control. Clients are able to choose one of the packages based on their goals and ambitions.
The second project after Rabobank, with over 100 square meters of power windows, was installed. Physi was the winner of the 10th edition of the Postcode Lottery Green Challenge, where an international jury awarded the company €500,000 to further develop the power window product. Binkcard in The Hague will integrate Physi's sunblind systems, which will increase the amount of daylight and pass energy savings to tenants. An analysis of the operating costs post-installation has shown energy savings and an improved energy performance certificate rating. The Kells redevelopment project is Physi's first international project that will debut later this year. The Kells is a redevelopment project in Dublin that will be equipped with triple-pane glass smart windows, inner sun blinds, and screen lines. Across all of these cases, the end result has been the developer has been able to increase the value of the building and maintain an energy-efficient building in their portfolio. For tenants, they benefit from more daylight in the office space, increased productivity amongst employees, and a comfortable environment personalized to their needs.
Research. A motivating factor spurring this innovation is the intention to grow as a community and as a technology pioneer in the field of sustainable energy solutions. Toward that end, Physi utilizes technological and collaborative development with universities and production partners and engineers. Through this technology, windows can be transformed with a luminescent coating into electricity-generating sources in the production of clean energy. 2 integral processes involved in the production of these luminescent coatings are magnetron sputtering and the application of phosphor-embedded, environmentally friendly, non-toxic luminescent particle wet coatings. Soft and hardware. Integrated soft and hardware services create a functionality where solar cells and data sensors work in tandem toward the production of direct and clean energy. Windows that generate energy and data interface with the building's facade in a circular loop that ultimately connects right back to the building grid. Design and engineering. The integration of this technology with the built environment has proven to meet the market where it is. In the PropTech space, as well as the energy industry, these innovative processes are readily adaptable to a broad range of customer-specific solutions, while often exceeding jurisdictional and regulatory energy efficiency standards.
Another company we looked into is Radiator Labs. Their mission is to eliminate overheating in steam-heated buildings. By incorporating radiator level control with real-time data visualization, we can eliminate billions in wasted fuel, all while providing comfort and control to residents for the first time in a building's history. Their product is called the Cozy, an insulated smart radiator that is installed over existing radiators. Let me tell you how this product works. The Cozy is simply retrofitted to existing radiators without having to remove or exchange anything. A small fan turns on to circulate warm air throughout the room if room needs heat, and turns off when it reaches a desired temperature. When the fan turns off, the radiator will help trap the heat for future usage. Occupiers can adjust the set point and release the trapped hot air into the room via phone or computer through their app. Cozy thermodynamically manipulates the condensation rate of the steam within the radiator without the use of any kind of plumbing.
A lot of buildings in New York still uses outdated heating system. This outdated system is highly inefficient as heat is lost through the system and it lacks automated room control as the system is mostly manual. The targeted buildings are pre-World War II buildings or buildings that still use manually controlled radiators, which is plenty in New York, ranging from offices, retail, and residential property. It is also targeted for property owners who want to reduce operating costs, as cost of the heating fuel is approximately 30% of the operating cost of the building. One of the successful case study of Radiator Labs is the Clinton Co-op building in Brooklyn. The management installed the Cozy by Radiator Labs and retrofit their existing radiators to save energy costs and to make space more comfortable. The property has been wasting $150,000 annually due to the inefficient heating system. Some of the spaces are too hot, which forces some residents to open their windows. Temperature swings between the rooms can range up to 85 degrees. The Cozy by Radiator Labs provides extra insulation for existing radiators and incorporates a built-in fan and a temperature sensor. It automatically circulates warm air and redistributes it to other rooms when the temperature drops. The upgraded system saves up to 40% heating costs annually.